Well, this clinic, which is located in Humber's North Campus, is an extension of Tzu Chi's medical care network in Canada, focused on traditional Chinese medicine. But this is the first time we're collaborating with a public college to establish a clinic. And that is not only focused on providing clinical care, but also more importantly, is to provide opportunities for students and also to provide a base to doing clinical studies in the future.
We are grateful for Humber College offer this place, this building for the clinic. We all have the same goal for better education to benefit the community.
The space is really remarkable in that it provides students with high quality access to patients in the real environments that they'll practice in when they become practitioners. And so it's really essential for us to have work integrated learning spaces that are accessible to students that are of high quality. It really affords us an opportunity to be creative and to have interprofessional education opportunities here like we would have not had if we didn't have this clinic on site.
We get to use this space to do patient intake and consultation as well as treatment. We have a dispensary here as well, and we also have separate consultation and treatment rooms, which is very nice as well, and it's rather spacious. I think it's a great space, and also we can educate our patients and have some room to show them exercises, and I think I would like to open a clinic or work in a wellness center to provide collaborative care to patients wherever I go, wherever I may be.
The Traditional Chinese Medicine Practitioner program here at Humber is the first publicly funded program of its kind in that it offers the full range of TCM care. There are multiple courses in anatomy and physiology and pathophysiology and pharmacology, health assessment, sort of in the Western biomedical framework. And then we have our foundations course of TCM where they understand the philosophy behind it and a lot of the basic foundational theories of traditional Chinese medicine.
Tzu Chi focus on serving the needy and enlightening the rich for the better world.
This is not just a clinic. This is a place to teach, educate, and heal people.